back to my channel. If you are an older subscriber of me, and welcome to my channel, R.A.R Music and Tech. This is a channel about music, beatbox especially, and also many of the technology that I will unbox and reviews, and maybe full reviews after using it, and also other content for my channel. And in this one, I will try to unboxing and review this thing, ring fill light. So it is the 26 centimeters ring light. And maybe you think that 2 weeks ago I just unboxed and reviewed this product, but there is another product, and that product is already broken because I broke it just recently, and I hate myself because of that. I just used it about 2 weeks, I think, and I already broke it. So I buy a new one, and the ring light is come with this one. So what is this? This is the 2 meters tripod. The same, not exactly the same, but very similar with the one that I use for the green screen background behind me. So let me open the box one by one. Started from the 26 centimeters ring fill light. So this ring fill light, okay, so it's only that, I think. What's in the box is the phone holder. Maybe it's a universal holder for your phone or something like that. And also it came with the gooseneck, and in it, this one is not really as flexible as the one that I have before. It has the gooseneck for the head of the microphone holder, and also it has the clamp right here. It could rotate 360 degrees, and also I have, oh sorry about that, I have ring light right here. So I open the plastic here. I have the ring light right here, and also the USB port for power it in on, and the mode that will change the type of light that I want to use, the maximum illumination and minimum illumination, and also on off button. So it's actually very similar that I used before that I just broke it. Let's assemble this to, before we assemble it to the tripod, 2 meters tripod. So I think I need to assemble it. What I need to do? Oh, what you do to me? Oh, so this has the ball type of rotation. I think I need to, okay, put this off, rotate it off to the left side, and put the some kind of ball here inside of the, yes, until it sounds like that. And then I need to clamp it back, the one that I just put it off, by rotating to the right side. Okay, and then this part, I think, okay, so I need to insert it from the back of the ring light here. Okay, so it fades in like that. It's from the front right here, so we can rotate it right like this for the phone. And also we need to put this on the port right here. So I need to make it not rotating too much by just clamping it, mounting on it. And this for the assembly of the ring light itself. I'll put that aside and try to assemble the 2 meters tripod. And That's only what's in the box here. So this is the 2 meters tripod. We'll peel it off from the plastic. Yes, this is the very similar as the one that I use for the background here. So this is this tripod, and this is the extension for the 2 meters height. And I think I will try to assemble it right now, so you can this, and then you need to rotate it to the right, and then it will be fixed and strong enough to hold your light. And also I will need to um, push this one. So why is it so hard? Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so you need just to push this part. Wait, you need to push this part, and then the foot of the tripod itself will be changed, and just push it until the desired height that you want. I think that's it. Okay, and then you need to clamp it again to make it strong and not moving too much, even if it's got struck on. Okay, so I'm sorry for that sound. I already finished setting my tripod here, and I will install this ring light on the top of it. Rotate it to the right. Everything needs to be rotated to the right place. Okay, I already done it. So this is the final product here. So we need to make it strong enough. Okay, so this is the ring light with the 2 meters of tripod here, as you can see, and I will put it on the back of my laptop. And I will plug it in to the USB adapter. I think USB type C to the 4 USB type A adapter. And no, it's not turned on because I just plug it on and not click this button here. So these are the light. I will increase the illumination until the maximum level. Okay, so these are the maximum level of the illumination. I don't know what kind of light is this. Maybe the white light. Oh, okay, this is not maximum enough. Okay, I will just press it longer to put it on the maximum level of luminosity. Okay, I think it's already maximum, and there are many types of light here. This is the white light, this is the yellow light, and this is the warm light or the natural light. I don't know which one I would prefer, but from the last time I think I will use the either white light or the warm light, like like this, or maybe just white light. I think the white light is the one that I prefer the most, and that's it. That helped me to adding some illumination because my rooms sometimes has a little bit dark illumination, I mean a low illumination. And that's it. That's the installation, the unboxing and review of the 2 meters 10 ring light. And thanks for watching. See you next time.